morning, good afternoon, everybody. And today I would like to share with you God's blessing upon the ministry here at Magsilatong Baptist Church. Thank you very much for your prayer and support for many years. And now I would like to tell you what God is doing in our midst. So I praise the Lord that He provided our needs. We have now the new roof of our garage. The Lord provided that by using some Christians. And lately we have also covered this place, the new roof, where we stay every Sunday after service. We have our lunch and fellowship around this area. Praise the Lord that He also provided this pews for our church through the members contributed some little amount, and we have some friends in the Philippines and also in other countries to support this ministry. Just to introduce to you one of the families that God added to the church, and we had our Bible study every Thursday before, and we will resume it later. Teacher Wa accepted the Lord here in our church, and she was baptized and she was growing in the Lord. And every Wednesday, she studies the Bible with me. These are the Filipinos who are working here in Thailand, and they are helping also in the work of the Lord. So please pray for them. Thank you. This is another family that God added to the church. Bim attended our English class. She got saved, and she invited her mother, and her mother came to church, and she also got saved. And later, Bim got married, and her husband also accepted the Lord, and both of them were baptized together. And now the father of Bim is coming to church, so please pray for his salvation also. And his brother, and so please pray for this family. And our adults, and also our couple, very faithful and helping Pastor Sakchay. The wife of Pastor Sakchay, and Buwa also accepted the Lord, and she is coming to church. And Suni and her daughter, she also studied in Don before, and she's helping our church. And all of this are coming to church, and they are faithful and growing in the Lord. So, tukon
brothers and sisters in the Philippines, in the name of Thai churches in Thailand, we thank you very much for all of you, the churches support, send missionary to Thailand to tell the people about salvation that the Thai people they did not know before. And so many Thai people they got saved because of your support in the mission. Keep continue to support and sending missionary to Thailand.
I have been working with Pastor and his wife for 28 years. So thank you for your prayer and for your support. support for all these years. God bless you. And we know that the Bible said that our labor is not in vain in the Lord. So let us keep on working for the Lord while we still have time. Thank you very much.